Have you ever noticed how time seems to speed up as we age? The days turn into weeks, the weeks into months, and before we know it, years have passed. But what if I told you that aging is merely an illusion, a perception shaped by our thoughts and habits? The truth is, the fountain of youth doesn't lie in some mythical spring, but within each of us. It's a wellspring of vitality that we can tap into at any age through conscious choices and a commitment to holistic well-being. This isn't about denying the passage of time, it's about embracing the ageless spirit within. It's about feeling vibrant, alive, and connected to the world around us, regardless of the number of years we've lived. It's about experiencing the joy of discovery, the thrill of adventure, and the deep satisfaction of a life lived in harmony with our true selves. Our bodies are constantly rebuilding and repairing themselves, and the quality of the building blocks we provide determines the strength and resilience of the structure. The food we eat is not merely fuel, it's information that our cells use to function, grow, and regenerate. A diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein provides the essential nutrients our bodies need to thrive. Processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, on the other hand, create inflammation, oxidative stress, and other imbalances that accelerate the aging process. By choosing to nourish our bodies with wholesome, natural foods, we provide the foundation for lasting health and vitality. Think of your body as a garden. What you plant will determine what you harvest. Choose wisely, and you'll reap the rewards of vibrant health and youthful energy. Beyond the physical benefits, mindful eating cultivates a deeper connection with our bodies and a greater awareness of our needs. It's about savoring each bite, appreciating the flavors and textures, and honoring the nourishment that food provides. This mindful approach to eating not only enhances our enjoyment of food, but also helps us regulate our intake and maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for overall well-being and longevity. Remember, food is not the enemy. It's a source of life and vitality when chosen and consumed with awareness and intention. Movement is life. Our bodies are designed to move, and regular physical activity is essential for maintaining flexibility, strength, and cardiovascular health. Exercise is not merely about burning calories or building muscle. It's about stimulating the flow of energy throughout our bodies, releasing endorphins, and enhancing our overall sense of well-being. Whether it's brisk walking, dancing, swimming, or practicing yoga, find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine. The benefits of exercise extend far beyond the physical realm. Movement helps to clear the mind, reduce stress, and boost creativity. When we move our bodies, we also move our emotions, allowing stagnant energy to flow freely and releasing tension that can accumulate over time. Exercise is a powerful antidote to the stresses of modern life, helping us to stay grounded, centered, and connected to our inner strength. Moreover, regular physical activity promotes better sleep, improves mood, and enhances cognitive function, all of which contribute to a more youthful and vibrant outlook on life. Instead of viewing exercise as a chore, embrace it as an opportunity to celebrate the amazing capabilities of your body and to cultivate a deeper connection with your physical self. Remember, movement is a gift, a celebration of life, and a pathway to lasting health and vitality. While taking care of our physical bodies is essential, true youthfulness stems from a deep sense of inner peace and well-being. Our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs have a profound impact on our physical health and our overall experience of life. Stress, anxiety, and negative thinking create a cascade of hormonal and chemical reactions that accelerate the aging process and diminish our vitality. Cultivating inner peace is not about denying or suppressing difficult emotions. It's about learning to observe them without judgment and to respond to them with compassion and understanding. Practices such as meditation, mindfulness, and deep breathing help us to calm the mind, regulate our emotions, and develop a more centered and balanced approach to life. These practices allow us to tap into the stillness within, a reservoir of peace and tranquility that is always available to us. When we cultivate inner peace, we reduce the wear and tear of stress on our bodies, enhance our resilience, and create space for joy, gratitude, and love to flourish. Inner peace is not a destination, it's a journey, a continuous practice of self-awareness, compassion, and acceptance. It's about befriending ourselves, embracing our imperfections, and learning to navigate the challenges of life with grace and equanimity. Remember, peace is not the absence of chaos. It's the ability to remain calm and centered amidst the storms of life. Human beings are social creatures, wired for connection and belonging. Meaningful relationships nourish our souls, provide support during challenging times, and enhance our overall sense of well-being. Studies have shown that people with strong social connections tend to live longer, healthier lives. Nurturing our relationships with family, friends, and loved ones is an investment in our long-term health and happiness. Social interaction provides opportunities for laughter, shared experiences, and emotional support, all of which contribute to a more youthful and fulfilling life. It allows us to step outside of ourselves, to connect with others on a deeper level, and to experience the joy of giving and receiving love. Make time for meaningful conversations, engage in activities that bring you together with loved ones, and cherish the bonds that enrich your life. Remember, the quality of our relationships matters more than the quantity. Focus on building authentic connections with people who uplift you, inspire you, and support your growth. Surround yourself with positive influences and let their energy revitalize your spirit. Connection is a vital aspect of human existence, a source of strength, resilience, and enduring joy. Embrace it wholeheartedly and let it nourish your soul. Laughter is truly the best medicine. It releases endorphins, reduces stress, and boosts our immune systems. Find humor in everyday situations, share jokes with friends, and allow yourself to let go and enjoy lighthearted moments. Laughter is a powerful antidote to the stresses of modern life, reminding us of the joy and playfulness that reside within us all. Love, in all its forms, is the lifeblood of youthfulness. It opens our hearts, connects us to something greater than ourselves, and infuses our lives with meaning and purpose. Express your love freely to your partner, family, friends, and even strangers. Acts of kindness, compassion, and generosity nourish the soul and create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond ourselves. Live each day with intention and gratitude, embrace new experiences, step outside of your comfort zone, and savor the simple pleasures that life has to offer. Cultivate a sense of wonder and curiosity about the world around you. Remember, life is a precious gift, a journey to be cherished and explored with an open heart and a youthful spirit. Let go of regrets, embrace the present moment, and live each day to the fullest. The past is gone, the future is uncertain, but the present moment is all we truly have. Dwelling on past mistakes or worrying about future uncertainties robs us of the joy and vitality of the present. By shifting our focus to the here and now, we tap into a source of peace, clarity, and energy that rejuvenates our minds and bodies. Mindfulness is the practice of bringing our full attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about noticing our thoughts, feelings, and sensations without getting swept away by them. By cultivating mindfulness, we become more aware of our inner landscape, more attuned to our needs, and better able to respond to life's challenges with grace and resilience. Embrace the beauty of the present moment. Notice the warmth of the sun on your skin, the gentle breeze rustling the leaves, the vibrant colors of the world around you. Savor the simple pleasures of a warm cup of tea, a good book, or a heartfelt conversation. By appreciating the richness of the present moment, we unlock a wellspring of joy and gratitude that nourishes our souls and keeps us feeling young at heart. Staying young is not about reaching a specific goal or achieving a certain age. It's about embracing a lifelong journey of growth, discovery, and renewal. It's about continually challenging ourselves, expanding our horizons, and nurturing the ageless spirit within. This journey is unique to each individual, a tapestry woven from our experiences, relationships, and choices. There will be times when we feel vibrant and energized, and times when we feel depleted and discouraged. The key is to approach these fluctuations with compassion and understanding, knowing that they are all part of the natural ebb and flow of life. Embrace the challenges as opportunities for growth, the setbacks as lessons learned, and the triumphs as celebrations of your resilience. Remember, the path to lasting youthfulness is not a straight line. It's a winding road with twists, turns, and unexpected detours. Embrace the journey with an open heart, a curious mind, and a willingness to learn and grow along the way. The most important thing is to keep moving forward, one step at a time, with the knowledge that every moment is an opportunity for renewal and transformation. The fountain of youth is not a mythical place. It resides within each of us. It's a wellspring of vitality that we can tap into at any age through conscious choices and a commitment to holistic well-being. By nourishing our bodies with wholesome foods, engaging in regular physical activity, cultivating inner peace, nurturing meaningful relationships, and embracing the present moment, we unlock the secrets to lasting youthfulness. This is not about denying the passage of time. It's about embracing the ageless spirit within. It's about feeling vibrant, alive, and connected to the world around us, regardless of the number of years we've lived. It's about experiencing the joy of discovery, the thrill of adventure, and the deep satisfaction of a life lived in harmony with our true selves. Remember, the journey to lasting youthfulness is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and enjoy the ride. Embrace the wisdom that comes with age, the resilience that you've cultivated over time, and the unwavering spirit that keeps you young at heart. Stay curious, stay connected, stay active, and above all, stay true to yourself. The fountain of youth awaits. Take the first step today and begin your journey to a life filled with vitality, joy, and ageless wisdom. Don't forget to subscribe for more interesting facts and tips on living your best life.